Thanks for clicking on the video. If y'all want to see what all's in this haul, stay tuned and we'll get started. Hello everyone, I'd like to welcome you back to the channel. I've got a kind of a lengthy video today. I've done some trading around with fellow collector Mustang Hunter. I've got a box where I've done some trading, and I also met a local collector last night and we done some swapping, and I'll show you some that I picked up over the 4th of July vacation there a few weeks back. It's pretty slim for those, but I did pick up a few. First off, let's go ahead and lead off with this one from the Mustang Hunter. I've marked out the addresses, but there you go. Anyone that might have stumbled across my channel before you did his, and please take care of me. He's packaged this thing up very well. Let's go ahead and cut it open, and I'll show you what I got, what we traded around on. Let's cut this side open. Cut out here at this end so we don't damage anything. Okay, let's just tear it open. Go ahead and get this out of here. Now, we made a trade. There's one in here that if you've watched his video, you'll see on there as soon as he the day he debuted the video, I went ahead and threw up that I've got dibs on this one, and I aggravated him about it till we went ahead and we agreed to do the trade, because I just can't find it in my area. It's just it's dried up around here. First off, well, look at this. Look how he's got it set up. That's work. This C10. I can't find that color variation anywhere around here. It's dried up. So he saw that. He debuted it, showed it. He'd got it, and I immediately on first comment dibs. This one I wasn't expecting, the 68 Nova with the Gulf decals and all that. That one, he said he tossed in something just a little extra, and wow, I wasn't expecting that. I'll take my time off camera and get that cardboard off. Thank you, Mustang Hunter. I will leave a link below. Like I say, if any of y'all have found my channel and not found his, I'll leave a link to his and a couple other guys that I watch quite a bit on YouTube on here, but really appreciate that. All right, let's get to this box right here and cut it open. Once again, I've marked out the addresses, but this is another one I picked up off of a guy on Instagram. Get it opened up here. Get all of these out. Then we'll unwrap them and see what we got. I've had this one a day or two. Been so busy, everything going on, I just could not remember what all we had going. This is some more C10 pickups. We got some, we got two different color variations of the 62 C10 pickup, the Surf's Up edition. Not one of my favorite body styles, but still yet we ended up with those. We got the 15 Ford F-150. I hadn't even seen that until he had it on there to get rid of it, to sell it. The Custom 69 pickup, Chevy pickup. I've got a couple of these that may or may not be on their way. This variation right here, though, the flames, I liked it. I don't want to do anything to it. The others, I've got a couple of custom ideas I want to do. And then this 79 Ford truck. This is one of my favorite body styles if you're going to have a Ford. No offense, but I'm a Chevy guy. But these little Hot Wheels, I like them all. I like them all. Collect the antique stuff. So there's those. Let me show you right quick. I'll try to keep the video as short as possible. What I run into last night from a local collector. These here I hadn't seen. The Muscle Tone. It's out of an older, I don't know what year these things here are. 2015 looks like. I hadn't seen it before. Got the Porsche 356 Outlaw. I hadn't seen this version of it before. Of course, let's see. Let me find it. I got this from him too, with the Gulf logos and everything, the 356 Outlaw. So I picked both of those up. This one I have one of, but I went ahead and got that one. This one I never saw, so I definitely wanted it. You get into these right here, the custom Ford Mustang GT, the Hot Wheels Drift. Now, something you'll notice, these hasn't been taken out of the package or anything. They come in this wheel variation right here. But when I saw this one, it had the gold wheels on the front, gold 5-spokes. So wheel variation error, I don't know. I just went ahead and grabbed it. Back to the 80s with 85 Camaro IROC Z. I have 2 of these now. I saw that and I wanted to pick it up. These here, Ollie's, they didn't, this one came from Ollie's. He got it there, but I bought it. The 70 Camaro. Kind of wish that sticker wasn't on there, but if I'd be able to get it off without damaging the package. I am an in-package collector. I don't necessarily take these things out. An 07 Mustang with the Knights decals. I don't have it. Picked up a couple of Matchbox. Matchbox is kind of growing on me. These I don't have but a few of them, but these are 35 Ford pickups in a couple of different variations. Really like those. Like I said, I'm into the older trucks and cars. This fantasy stuff and these newer ones, they don't appeal to me. Here's another one that would originally come from Ollie's, a 61 Impala. Really do like this car quite a bit. All right. 69 Dodge Charger. I can't talk this afternoon. The Hot Wheels Flames edition from, looks like back in 2015. Let's see here. We got the Volkswagen Beetle. Interesting little number right there. One variation of it. There's been many I've seen on people's videos. The classic 55 Nomad. Really good looking car there. Couple more pickups. Got another 62 Chevy pickup, which this is the newer stuff that's out. You can find these. I found the set at the local Food City. It's nothing, it's new, so it's nothing hard to find. The 47 Chevy AD 3100. Here again, another Matchbox. Matchbox has got some pretty nice stuff out there. 68 Shelby Gt500. Hadn't seen this one before. It's in the Flying Custom series. And of course, this 67 Chevelle 396. This makes the 3rd one of these I've got. That's probably all I need. I've got an idea. My dad used to have a 67. I may end up painting it up like his and giving it to him. Mazda RX-3 and a Nissan 2017 Nissan GTR 35. I didn't have the gray one. Nissan Skyline 2000 Turbo. Haven't saw that one. Well, let me take that back. I haven't saw it in person. I'd seen it on some videos. This one right here caught my eye. 67 Pontiac Firebird. Another Ollie sticker that I wish wasn't on there. That's a good looking in the matte black open hood design. All right, here we have a 57 GMC stepside. Having to move the camera, sorry for that. Nice little truck. All right, now on to what I found over 4th of July. Wait a minute, we got one more. This one's a Matchbox, the 47 Chevy. Another 47 Chevy. The guy had already opened the box, but he hadn't took it out of the package, so there that is. 40, what's that say? 47 and a half Chevy. Must have been a half-year model on those or something, I don't know. All right, he had opened the box, so I don't feel so bad about what I just did there. It's still in the plastic. Now on to what I found over the 4th of July vacation, which wasn't very much. Hit Target, several Walmarts, a bunch of stuff for one day, and I found these 2 Flying Customs, the 64 Nova wagon and the 70 Ford Mustang Mach 1. Both those are nice. I like this. I'd like to have another one of those to do a custom out of. This one caught my eye. I don't know why. I used to watch Knight Rider all the time on TV when I was a kid, and I was walking through Target, and it's a Hot Wheels Premium. It cost a little bit more than, I guess, what I probably should have paid, but kit, there it is, kit in Super Pursuit mode. Really do like this. It's on real Rider tires. That's kind of all right. This, best I can remember, is a remake of an older one. I think I had one of these when I was a kid that was in red. Of course, it's an ambulance, a rescue vehicle. It would have had the plain little old wheels. It looks like the Flying Custom wheels. It just back in Hot Wheels earlier days, they didn't put the nicer wheels on them. But anyway, I had a red version of that. I saw that and I thought, well, why not? And the 510, just not the 510 that I'd like to have, but I've got a couple of these now. The 510 Super Treasure Hunt has eluded me thus far. I cannot find that thing. Cannot find it on the store shelf. You can find it on eBay all day long. Okay, 2017 Camaro in another color variation, which I hadn't saw up till this point. That is a dark blue, I guess. Got some purplish tint to it. Whatever color it is, there we go. Nice car. Then you got the Toyota Land Cruiser. Really like that. Glad they chose to put the black tires on it instead of the mud tires. Really good detail on that thing. It's the Hot Wheels Hot Trucks. Look at that. If I can get this thing to focus. Headlights, got it all. They done a good job on that one. Then another variation of the 20 Jeep Gladiator. A green color. I don't know. It's a green, whatever color you call that. Thinking about taking and opening one of these. I've got 2 or 3 of a different color. Cutting the motorcycles out of the back. And just making it look a little bit different. May paint it some way. Good looking truck though. Or whatever. Now these 3 right here have the Hot Wheels Racing logos on them. I found those. I didn't even, excuse me. I didn't realize that they made this car in it, the Dodge Challenger stock car. Get it up here in focus. Then you've got the HW 450F. Then you've got the Indy 500 Oval. That's 3 pretty good looking cars. I found them all at the same place. Most of these come from Dollar General and Target. I think the only ones I picked up at Walmart, I think I got this one, the best I can remember, is the only card I got at Walmart that day. The rest of these right here is my 4th of July haul in this stack, and I got all those mostly at Dollar General and Target. But Mustang Hunter, back to you, buddy. If you see this video, appreciate you trading me this one. I just can't say enough. You threw this one in. You're go above and beyond when it comes to trading and going on. I wasn't expecting that one. That is a super nice car. Glad to finally get my hands on this color variation of the 67 C10. I am building, if anyone hasn't checked out my other videos, I am currently building a 68 model. I'll put a link in the description or up above or whatever if you want to check that out and you all are interested in, you know, the real vehicles. I'm building a 68 model Chevy C10 short bed. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, subscribe. Appreciate you watching. Check out my other Hot Wheels videos and some of the other stuff we get into on the channel. Fixing to get back into some cooking videos. I got several things on the way and on my mind we're going to get into. Like I say, thanks for watching. God bless. Have a good day. See you on the next one.